Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some leaked items coming to Prodigy. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So the first thing we have right here is like a crow. I do have a theory for where this is going to come out. So I think this is going to be in Pumpkin Fest. It won't be a membership box because we already have what will be the October membership box most likely, and that is going to be this Shadow Ghost. So, because of this, it's probably going to be in the battle rewards like we have had the tropical fish and Hans. So then we have the second one, which is a something in a present, and I think this will also be a battle reward, but for Winterfest. It looks a lot like the painted egg buddy. So I think that it could look a lot like this, but have like sort of a red face and the present body instead of the egg. So now we are going to be looking at a boot that I found yesterday, and it looks like this. So this is kind of like an astronaut boot. I don't know how you're going to be able to get this, because we have already had an astronaut-themed season, or a space-themed season. So it can't be replacing the Astro Boots, and this is like right in front of the Astro Boots in the game file. Number 116 in the game files is Astro Boot, and 115 is the whatever these boots are going to be, so it's kind of hard to figure out what they're going to be for. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.